Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aarti. In today's video, I'd be sharing with you guys my top 5 eyeshadow recommendations under 500 rupees. Now, if you're somebody who loves makeup and is wanting to try out makeup and is a beginner, wants to start off with makeup, all of these products are A, they're super affordable, B, they're super pigmented, and C, they love how beautifully they blend with each other. They're super creamy, super intense, and you can create so many looks. Or you don't need all of these palettes, any one palette and you're good to go. So this is like a good beginning starting stage for you guys. So let's get started. The first eyeshadow product that I want to talk to you guys is from Swiss Beauty. Now I have two of their palettes. The first one is the Ultimate Shadow Palette in 05. This is a beautiful, this is like a perfect nude shade. This is how it looks like. It's beautiful colors. I will show you guys the pigmentation as well. The next palette is the Ultimate Eyeshadow in 02. This is how it looks like. This is more on a pinkier side. I'm gonna try swatching like 2-3 shades. I'm gonna take this black right here. It's a beautiful black. It's super creamy. I love how beautifully pigmented they are. I'm gonna try swatching another glittery shade right here. This is a beautiful gold glitter and look at the pigmentation, you guys. This is super creamy, super easy and very beautiful, and they blend beautifully with each other. And the other palette, I'm gonna try swatching this also. I'm gonna swatch like 2 shades from this as well. I'm gonna take this a beautiful berry color. And look at the pigmentation. This is like a glittery pink. Like, look at it. It's so pretty. It's so beautiful. I am gonna try swatching another matte as well. I'm gonna take this mauve shade right over here. This one. My thumb, I don't have any other place, but look at the pigmentation, you guys. These eyeshadow palettes are supremely pigmented. They do not have any fallout. They do have a little kickback though, but they don't have a lot of fallout with each other, and they're really affordable. I think these come for about 200 to 300 rupees. I will leave all the links in the description box. You guys can go ahead and check it out. But these are amazing palettes. If you have one of this, like if you're somebody who loves your nudes and loves those brown tones and blacks and smokiness, this palette is enough. And if you're somebody who loves pinks and beautiful like mauve shades, this is enough. But these palettes are really good. Swiss Beauty actually makes beautiful palettes. They're really affordable. At the same time, they give beautiful pigmentation, supremely pigmented, and they're very creamy and buttery. They can give competition to high-end products as well. So trying out with this is one of the best ways you can start off learning makeup. Next product that I have is for somebody who loves your metallics or shimmers, and for that you can go ahead and try the Lakme 9 to 5 eyeshadow palette. Now this is one of the first quartets that I bought for myself. I was just into shimmers. I just used to apply these shimmers all over my eyes and I was done. I never did any transitions or any halo eyes or inner corner highlights. I knew nothing. But this eyeshadow palette was one of the best investments I have ever made till today, because I've learned so much. And look at the butteriness in these. These are so pigmented, like, and you know Lakme, right? And this, the way they've delivered these 9 to 5 quartets are beautiful. They're supremely pigmented, they're high quality, they're very buttery, and they do not have any fallout. And one of the best things about these products is they don't have any fallout. I'm running out of space, but yeah, they don't have any fallout. They do have kickback right here, but they don't have any fallout. So you can make beautiful eyeshadows. And if you're somebody who wants to try those glimmery and glittery eyeshadows, give these a shot. This is amazing. I think this is around 300 or 400 bucks. I will leave all the links in the description box. You guys can go ahead and check it out. But this pigment, they do have different colors as well. But if you're somebody with this Diwali and all of that coming up, you want to like just put a little glimmer all over your eyes, this works wonders. I really like the Lakme 9 to 5. I feel like that was one of the palette I've used for a really long time. And when I was really new to makeup, that was the only palette that I used to use a lot. And yeah, it's a good start if you're somebody who wants to start off with the shimmers and give that a little pop of color and glam and all of that, glitters and all. It's a very good eyeshadow palette. The next eyeshadow palette that I have is something that I swear by. I have actually spoken about this palette previously as well, but I have never tried any other eyeshadow palette, at least till today, that comes closer to the pigmentation these give. Now this is the Miss Claire's eyeshadow palette in the shade Romantic. This is the Romantic eyeshadow palette. Now this is more of a colorful eyeshadow palette, and the reason I say nothing comes closer to this is because they're all pigmented, they're supremely pigmented, and they do have a glitter in it. But I have all these shades are very difficult to create, and they don't give any chalkiness or they don't like fade out in the rest of the day. Look at the pigmentation of the royal blue right here. Look at every single color in this. This is the blue, this is the orange. Every single color in this palette is supremely pigmented. They last for a really long time. They do have shimmers. That is the only drawback. If you're somebody who does not like shimmers, you will not like this. This is a bright pink color that they came up with, but this is a beautiful palette, and this was the only palette that I used in my not this year's but last year's in Navrang Navratri. I made so many looks using just this palette, and I wanted to try doing this year as well, but I did try different palettes. I ordered them, but nothing gave me the pigmentation that this gave. This is an amazing palette. You can try multiple colors, and if you're somebody who wants to, go out for all the shebang and have that colorfulness into your eyes, and add that little pop of color with maybe a blue or something like that, this eyeshadow palette is a great way to start off, and I really appreciate this palette. It's a very good palette, and this is very affordable. I think this is for about 100 to 200 bucks, but it's a really good eyeshadow palette and a colorful eyeshadow palette that's very affordable. The next and the last eyeshadow palettes, I have two eyeshadow palettes from the same brand, and this is by Wet n Wild. One I have is this smaller quartet. Now this quartet, I broke it, but yeah, this is the Color Icon eyeshadow palette. Now this comes with a crease color, this comes with a crease color, this comes with a transition color, a brow bone color, and the main color, eyelid color. They do have different colors in this. You can try this for a complete eye look, or if you're somebody who likes to, I've used it so bad that I broke it. If you're somebody who wants to try different eye looks and try it out with one small palette, this is a really good palette. I think this is for about 200 rupees or something. The last palette is something that was also there in my October favorites, I want to say, but this is the Wet n Wild's Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette. Now this eyeshadow palette, you guys, I have no words to describe this. These eyeshadows blend beautifully. I tried using so many combinations. Every single color works with every single color. They don't go patchy, they don't go dry, they don't flake out, they don't fade out, nothing. These are amazing eyeshadow palettes. I will swatch and show it to you guys. They are supremely pigmented. All of these eyeshadow palettes that I'm recommending are very pigmented and in an affordable range, so these work really good. I will try swatching another brow shade, another shimmer shade, so that you guys can see right here. Like, these eyeshadows are really pretty. These are supremely pigmented. They don't have any fallout. They do have a little kickback, and if you are somebody who doesn't set your eyes, you might find a little fallout with this palette, but this is a really good palette to invest in. And once you invest in this palette, I don't think you need another palette to actually do anything else. Like, this palette has everything. It has your transition colors, it has your crease colors, it has your eyelid colors, it has a brow bone highlights, every single thing. And sometimes you can also use this little shade, like this shade right here. I like using this as a highlighter itself. It's a beautiful palette, and all in one, it's one of the best and amazing palettes that you guys can give it a shot. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed all of my recommendations, and these are all the palettes that are affordable, you guys. Go ahead, give it a shot. I will leave all the links in the description box once again. And if you are somebody who's new to my family, hi, I'm Aarti. Please go ahead, hit the like button.